Well, that was boring. Let's talk about something interesting. Mitosis. Mitosis is a small part of our cell cycle, yet the most important. This is due to the fact that during this part, the DNA separates into two separate daughter cells. Mitosis consists of 5 phases: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. Prophase is the stage in which the material contained in the nucleus is broken down and separated into 2 different daughter cells. The DNA contained in the nucleus is called chromatin. There are also kinetochore proteins that grow around the centromere. The material in coils becomes increasingly compact, beginning to resemble chromosomes. Long microtubules stretch out from opposite sides of the cell and grab onto the kinetochores. Prophase can be sometimes split into 2 different phases. The first one is, as I said before, prophase. Second one is prometaphase, because the next phase is metaphase. And this is because it's the part of prophase in which the nuclear envelope breaks down and the sister chromatids are freed from the nuclear envelope. The breakdown is necessary for the material contained in the nuclear envelope to split into 2 new cells, basically. Metaphase is the phase in which the microtubules continue to move the DNA until it is an exact right point on the equator of the cell. The second phase of mitosis is metaphase. In this phase, long spindle fibers attach to the DNA and move them to the middle of the cell, and this prepares them for anaphase. In anaphase, 2 copies, or sister chromatids, are segregated equally on opposite sides of the cell by the mitoic spindle. This prepares them for telophase. Telophase begins right after the sister chromatids have been separated. A new nuclear membrane forms around both of the copies. It thus separates the chromosomes from the cytoplasm. Then once again, the material begins to uncoil and become less compact. And the last phase, cytokinesis, is when the cell finally separates into 2 separate cells. But anyways, I'll see you around.